teammates are Ashima,
Either it
Parthi,
may-
and Today our topic is library management system under the guidance of Radhana. These are the contents of our project. Coming to introduction, libraries today holds a vast amount of information like books, journals, and digital resources. Manual libraries can lead to errors, and it may be difficult in maintaining and checking books, finds issues, book issues, and returning. So this proposed system will be user-friendly for both operators and users. It also provides features like user login, book managing. About this project, this system is a software-based solution to automate library operations. This also manages books, users, and transactions efficiently. It also provides role-based access like admin, librarians, and users. It also supports books, issuance, return, and fine calculation. It also updates the book inventory in real time by reducing the manual work and chances of human work. Thank you. The next part will be continued by Vanu.
Thank you, Radhika. Now my topic is problem statement. Traditional library faces lot of problem like errors like managing book, issuing and returning book, managing members, etc. To undergo this problem, there are many key challenges like issuing books, returning books, etc. Methodology. The methodology has a requirement analysis, system design, implementation, and testing. Requirement analysis. In requirement analysis, we undergo what are the basic requirements for library, like managing books, issuing books, finding members, etc. And then system design. In this, we design a system, and next we have implementation. In this, we will write code using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And next we have testing. The written code will be tested, and if there are any errors, we will debug the code, etc. This is the flowchart, and next part will be continued.
Thank you, Annie. I'm going to explain about tools and technologies. For operating system, we use Windows or Linux. For front-end technologies, we use HTML and CSS. And back-end technologies, we will use Python. For storing the data, we use MySQL. And development tools are Visual Studio Code. Component programming languages, we use HTML, CSS, Python, and JavaScript. And software components, Windows or Linux. Hardware components, is a processor, we can use Intel IP or Argo. For storing the data, we can use MySQL. And these are the outcomes of the projects. It's a login page. These include fields are username and password. If they forgot the password, you can enter into the next forgot password page. Here we can enter email address, then reset the password. Then the sign up page. It is the registration form for the new users, and it includes the fields called full name, email, password, and user type. If they already have an account, we can directly enter into the login page. And these are the home page. We use icons, home, books, members, and logout. And next part will be continued by uploader. Thank you. My part is future direction. In future direction, make a mobile application for easy access. We have to make the application that is easy for accessing. So it can be opened in the phone or laptops. And suggest books to users based on the reading history. We have to suggest the readers so that they can search easily for it. And put the system online so it can be used from anywhere. We have to make the application where it can be used in any of the locations and add more languages for different users. We have to add many languages so that the user can use it easily and show better reports about the book user. When
about the book. Under summary, library management system is a digital solution that automates book management, user handling, and transaction tracking in the library. It features are book issuing, returning, and final calculations, role-based access. And it has features like efficiency, reduces errors and improves user experience. And we use technologies like Python, SQL, HTML,